One of the common problems in electrical design teams is inconsistent symbol usage, which can lead to errors, time-consuming rework and project delays. Establishing a standardized symbol library resolves these issues. In Capital Electra X, you gain access to thousands of electrical, pneumatic, and hydraulic symbols that are compliant with JIC and IEC standards. Plus, you may also directly access millions of manufacturer-specific components through the integrated Cadena's Cloud Part Library. This reinforces consistency and compatibility throughout your designs. Need customized symbols? Easily create and share the custom symbols with your team by importing them to a team drawing, where all team members may conveniently access. Building a shared and standardized symbol library with your team also eliminates the need to recreate symbols from scratch, saving more time. Your team can prevent confusion and errors, and also collaborate much better. Sign up for a 30-day free trial today.